Okay, here is my look at the LED full spectrum grow light. I believe it's made by Garscen Yorc. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So there's the information. I guess this is a map of wavelengths and output, supposedly promising that it's good for plants. We'll have to test that out. Let's open and take a look. Okay. Boop. Alrighty, so obviously comes with electrical plug, rather standard looking kind of thing. These would be hooks to, I guess, suspend the light. And here we are. So instructions, 45 watt grow light. Looks like I'll need my reading glasses for those. Some details, and it's very light. You know, the hooks on here to be hanging. The plug here, and not sure I see any switches, so I'll check the instructions. So it may just come on whenever it's plugged in. And wow, we're horribly out of focus. Sorry about that. So let me take a look at the instructions and plug it in. Okay, so as I expected, we just plug it in. There is no on or off switch, so they are quite bright, and the instructions are not to stare at it, but I don't think I need that in the instructions because there's no way I want to be staring at this for very long. So obviously different LEDs for the different wavelengths here, and let's look at putting the hooks on. Okay, so the fastening apparatus has clips to go on each connector there. On there has a little hook up here, so put it on a chain and adjust the height to the plants, and see, that is pretty bright. So I will have to test that out on some plants and see how they like this versus my fluorescent lights.